Hey guys, we have Avengers Infinity War RC car. It comes with a remote control. It has Doctor Strange, Hulk, Iron Man, Spider-Man, and many more. It has Iron Man, the Incredible Hulk, Captain America, and Spider-Man only. Only that. 4 of them. I have the Iron Man. I don't know. Okay, so here's the front. Here's the top, the side, the other side. Here's the back. It got the characters again. We got Thanos. Now we're gonna open it from the side. You have this, the remote control, and the car. So what you're gonna do is in the back you have to put the batteries, also the race RC car. You have to turn this on and just race. I'm doing it in the bed, so that's it.